This one shouldn't be too bad. Mr. Math Guy Steve. Starting with the integral of 7 sine cubed of x over cosine of x dx. So, by breaking off a sine as our du and then letting the rest be in terms of cosines, which would be our u, okay? So, pulling that 7 off first, we get 7 times the integral of taking a sine of x off and sine squared of x over cosine of x dx. So we're going to let that sine be the du parts. Then we rewrite sine squared as 1 minus cosine squared, right? So we get 7 times the integral of the sine of x times 1 minus cosine squared of x divided by cosine of x dx. Now, again, we know how to set up our u sub, right? Let's let u equal the cosine of x. Then we know du is negative sine of x dx. Again, we have the sine of x dx, we don't have the negative, so negative du would be sine of x dx. And so this is our sub-bubble, or our subble. Now it's a lot easier integral to integrate when we plug these in. So it's become 7 times the integral of, well, we know the sine of x is negative du, so negative, and then the du, and then the 1, we can put all the cosines in terms of u, and so this becomes 1 minus u squared over u. A lot easier integral to integrate, so we can split this up into negative 7 times the integral of 1 over u du, plus 7 times the integral of, this should just be u du. Now, of course, we know that the integral of 1 over u is ln the absolute value of u. So negative 7 ln absolute value of u plus 7 halves u squared. Now we're done integrating. Don't forget the plus c. And then now we can plug u back in, or now we can back substitute. And so this becomes negative 7 ln of the absolute value of cosine of x plus 7 halves cosine squared of x plus c. Always remember, math is everywhere.